Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Jaguar XE. First of all, it's on telephone at the moment, phone's paired with the system. We'll click on music. You'll see there at the bottom, Jaguar XE. If I click on that, your choices are, you can play the music through your iPhone or Jaguar XE. There's a tick next to Jaguar XE. That means anything that plays on this phone, any music, any audio, whether it be YouTube soundtrack, Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, iTunes, anything, as long as you have this set up properly, it will play through the speakers. Now we go to media, which is this clapperboard and the music note. Click on there, turn it down. It knocks it off if you turn it down, but I don't want the sound to come and we get a copyright. And you've got source at the top, so click source. That allows you to change between the radio, Bluetooth and auxiliary. So onto Bluetooth, that's playing. There you go, if I turn that up. And that's it playing.